In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can refresh the For You page on TikTok. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is a super simple thing to do. The first thing you'll want to go ahead and do is open up the TikTok app on your mobile device. And then once you've opened up your TikTok app, what you'll need to do is come to your profile. So go ahead and click on the little me in the bottom right corner of the page. And then once you've come to your profile, you will need to go ahead and click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then once you click that, what you need to do is scroll down until you see content and activity, which is this section here in the middle. And then what you will need to go ahead and do after that is click on content preferences. So click on content preferences and click on update interests. And then what you will need to do is you can go ahead and select as many interests as you like. So go ahead and select all you like and then click on save. So what that will do is it will update your recommendations and it will update your videos, and you will see more relevant content to the interest that you do like. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.